Hello and welcome back. I hope to find you and doing well. In today's session, let's active the unlock button. That is good. In the previous session, we created a class to manage, store, and read password from the file. Okay, today we want to active the unlock button. Let's close the application. Okay friends, one thing you remember, if you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel to get more information about Java, Java Efficacy, Java Swing and MySQL database. That is good. As you can see in the previous video, we defined a new class, password storage. This is very important class because using that class, we are able to store password in a text file and we can read password from that file. There is no problem. As you can see, we define two methods, save password and get password. This method, which is save password, can save password in a text file, okay? And the get password method read password from that file, okay? Okay friends, before watching this video, I strongly recommend you to watch our previous video because in the previous video, we wrote this simple class. Okay, let's open computer screen lock app, which is main application file. Let's open that. And here we want to define a new method. Okay, let's define a method here. We have main method. Let's define a method here. Simple, for example, private void unlock, and you can use any name, there is no problem. So here in the first step, you want to collect text from the input field. As you can see, we have password field. Let's get text from that. Simple. We want to define a simple string variable, string for example, password equals. Let's initialize that with new string, and here we want to pass password field dot get password. We have get password method. So as you know that whenever we want to handle exception in Java, we have different ways. We have through keyword and we have try catch block. Let's use try catch block to handle any type of exception. Simple, here we want to use try, then we want to write for example the catch block, and here we want to catch for example IO exception. Let's import that, for example, exception. So thereafter, inside the try block, let's read password from the file. As you can see, we have a password storage class. Inside that, we have get password. Using that method, we are able to read password from the file. Okay, let's call that. Simple, you want to take a variable, for example, string saved password, and here what we want to do, as you can see, we have static method which is get password. As you know that static method can be accessed using a class name. We have password storage class. Let's copy that, and here we want to call get password method. Okay friends, everything is fine. As you can see, we read password from the file using the get password method. Thereafter, let's create a new password if the password is not set. We want to create a new password. For that, first we want to define a simple condition. For example, if save password equals null, what we want to do, as you can see in the password storage class, we have save password method. This can create or insert a new password into a text file. As you can see, we have lock screen pass txt file. Whenever we want to call this method, this can create a new password inside that file. Let's call that method. Before calling that method, let's display a simple confirmation message. For that, we want to take variable, for example, option, and here we want to use J option pane. We have show confirm dialog. Let's use that overloaded version. For the parent component, let's pass null value, and here we want to pass message, for example. Let's add message no password set. Okay, Do you want to set this password, this as a new password? Thereafter, we want to pass title, for example, confirmation. Let's break that. Okay, and here we want to choose option J option pane. We have different options. Let's use yes no option. Okay. Okay friends, as you can see, we displayed yes no option. Thereafter, when user click on the yes button, we want to create or insert any password into a text file. For that, let's define a simple condition. If we have option equals, let's use the option pane. When user click on the yes option, we want to create any password in text file. And here what we want to do, as you know that in the password storage we have method save password. This is also a static method. First we want to mention a class name. Let's copy that, and here then we have save password method. Let's call that, because we want to create password inside text file. This save password method can create any password in a text file. Okay. Okay friends, as you can see, we got an exception. Required string parameter found no arguments. Let's pass the parameter. We have password. We want to get value from that. There is no problem. So thereafter, what we want to do? We want to display a simple success message. We have the option pane.show message dialog. Let's use parent component null, and here we want to pass, for example, password saved, sorry, okay, successfully. You can pass any message, there is no problem. Thereafter, let's clear input. We have password field dot set text empty. Okay friends, thereafter let's define else block. We want to define else block here, and here we want to close the form. That means we want to unlock the application. And here we want to use simple dispose method. We have dispose method. Let's call that. That is good. Okay. Here in the first step, we got all the text from the password field. Then we read password from the file using the get password method. And here we check that if the password is null, we want to create any password in a text file. For the best practice, here we displayed a simple confirmation message. When user click on the yes button, we want to create any password, because here we called save password method and we passed password as a parameter. And here we displayed a simple success message. Then we clear the input field. That is good. Thereafter, here we close the application. That means we want to unlock the computer. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. Thereafter, let's display error message if the password is incorrect. Here we want to define a simple else block. Let's use the same message here. We want to use that. That is good. And here, let's change that message. For example, wrong password. Okay. Thereafter, let's use title, for example, error. And here we want to pass message type, for example, error message. Okay, that is good. Thereafter, what we want to do? Let's clear input field. We want to copy the same code from here. Thereafter, let's add focus. Simple, we have password field. Then we have request focus window method. Let's use that. Okay, that is good. Thereafter, let's use key event dispatcher, because you want to block keyboard keys. Here in the first step, let's define event dispatcher. Simple, for example, private key event dispatcher, for example, dispatcher, and you can use any name, there is no problem. Thereafter, we want to use that inside the unlock method. We have unlock method. Okay. Okay friends, let's drink some tea. Thereafter, we want to handle all the keyboard keys. And here we want to choose simple keyboard. focus manager class, then we have get current keyboard focus manager, then we have remove method. Let's pass dispatcher to block all the keyboard keys. Okay friends, everything is fine. Thereafter, let's call that method. As you can see, we have unlock button. Let's register with event. We have unlock btn dot add action listener. We want to use lambda expression. Then we want to call that method. Okay. So everything is good. Let's run the application to see the result. Click on the unlock button. We got confirmation message, that is good. Let's add password, for example abc at 123. Let's click on that. Then we want to click on the S button because we want to create new password. Okay, password saved successfully, that's good. Let's unlock the application. Okay, wrong password. Let's enter correct password, for example abc at 123. Then unlock. Okay, everything is good. The computer is unlocked. Let's check password inside text file. We have C drive. Then we have users. Inside that we have another folder. Let's check that. We want to find that we have lock screen pass. Let's open that. As you can see, the password is saved in a text file. Okay friends, that is good. Now the password is saved in a text file, that is good, and we read that password from the text file, that is also good. But we have a big problem. The problem is that now the password is not secure because everyone can see this password. EBC at 123, EBC at 123. Okay, later in our upcoming video session, we want to save this password in a secure manner. For that, we want to use hashing algorithm to save this password in a text file in secure manner. Let's close that. Okay, and here we defined a simple method. Okay, you can see all the code of that method. There is no problem. This is a very simple code. Here we blocked only the keyboard keys because we used event dispatcher. Okay, and here we used keyboard focus manager class. Inside that we have a method get current keyboard focus manager. Then we have remove method, and to that we passed dispatcher to block all the keyboard's key in a correct manner. So once again I mentioned that. As you can see in the previous video, we defined a simple class. This class is very important because we defined save password method and we defined get password method. These two methods are very important. The first one save password in a text file. The second one read password from that text file. Okay. So, if you have any question, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.